Welcome back to our channel, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. This is Jay Bond Real Estate Group of eXp Realty. If you're tuning in for a modern build home in Morro Bay, California, you're tuned into the right spot. Right behind me is 509 Quinn Court here in beautiful Morro Bay. Now this home is just shy of 1,500 square feet, just under 2,700 square feet of parcel size, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a phenomenal location close to schools, the beach, shopping, dining, everything you would want to see here in Morro Bay, California. So real quick, why don't we go inside, check out this beautiful home, and give you a lay of the land, if you will. All right, here we are in the entryway at 509 Quinn Court here in Morro Bay. And real quick, we appreciate you guys. Just want to ask if you like what you're seeing, hey, hit that thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to regular content that we're dropping weekly, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell to receive notifications. We appreciate you guys. So again, this home is just under 1,500 square feet. The majority of the living space is downstairs, bedrooms, bathrooms, upstairs, nice back patio, entertaining space, which you'll check out lastly here. But why don't we delve in? Let's check out our powder room, right? Half bath, just off of the entry, right after the stairwell, right? Nice finishes in here. White paint, cool color scheme. If we can tell the flooring running uniform throughout, this is a really nice laminate product, as we see. Nice living room space. Room for recliners, love seat couch, perhaps some sectionals, right? And then of course, formal dining area, right? Now this is a very modest, smaller kind of breakfast table, if you will, but you could definitely fit a larger dining table here in this space, but still staged well, looks very nice. And then of course, our kitchen, right? Very open concept here, really goes with the flow of the home. You know, if you're cooking and you want to host, watch football, you know, celebrate your holidays, whatever it is you're doing in here, right? Very open so you can continue to be social as you are working in your kitchen. And then breakfast bar off to the side right there, always a plus. Kids, grandkids, yourself perhaps, you know, if you want to hang out there. And as we see, a lot of cabinetry in here, to be more specific. Plenty of uppers, lowers as we see. Beautiful color in here, matches the walls with the white. And again, very light white colored granite, a little bit of sprinkle of blue and gray throughout. So just a real nice beachy themed feel here in Morro Bay in this home. Stainless steel appliances, as we see throughout. This is a very clean home, relatively high ceilings, beautiful can lighting in here. Whether it's a vacation home, second home, primary residence, I think this is a great spot. So awesome, guys. Well, while we're down here, let's make our way around. We'll catch the stairwell. Let's go check out the bedrooms as well as the bathrooms before checking out the backyard space here at 509 Quinn Court. All right, so let's check out the master bedroom, right? It's the first bedroom off of the stairwell as you come upstairs. And as we see, nice sizable room, right? I can definitely fit a king-size bed in this room, as well as some, you know, moderately mid-sized or large pieces of furniture in here that you don't see in here currently, but you could. There's enough space to do so. Plantation shutters, as we see. A lot of natural light in here, right? Nice sized, very comfortable bedroom. Thick carpet, kind of a sandy brown carpet in here, which goes well with the theme of the home, the beachy feel, if you will. And then our ensuite master bath. Right now, this is a full bath, as we see here, shower, tub, dual vanities, right? Have a little bit of extra countertop space here. You know, you're doing your makeup if you're a gal or whatever you're working on in here, who knows? But nonetheless, very spacious master bath. Walk-in closet behind me here, and then commode. Just adjacent, right? So nice use of the space up here. Again, tile matching the color scheme of the home, as we'd seen. And we're gonna make our way down the hall into the laundry room. Now this is nice, right? Why? Because your bedrooms are upstairs. Who would have thunk, right? Instead of hauling them down to the garage or downstairs to do laundry. Super functional, right? So nice plus with this house, right? Now just next to that, adjacent to our laundry room, we have guest bedroom number 1. Currently a hangout rowing workout room, right? So this is a decent sized piece of equipment. And again, you know, I think you could easily fit queen size bed in this room, but perhaps larger depending on how much room you want to take, but definitely room for queen size bed along with furniture. Making our way over to the guest bathroom. That's a full bath, right? Nice size bathroom, nice look and finish. And then guest bedroom number 2. And this is comparably sized to guest bedroom number 1. Again, I think you could fit a bigger, excuse me, being tongue-tied, bigger furniture, right? So larger bed in here, as well as larger pieces of furniture. Nice view out into the eucalyptus forest next door. Some natural light coming in, right? Beautiful bedroom space. Now, real quick, guys, just want to throw that reminder. If you like what you're seeing, hey, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. If you want to get regular content of homes on the Central Coast, hit that subscribe button and that bell if you want to receive notifications. We appreciate you guys. All right, so let's head downstairs. Let's check out the backyard space and the garage at this beautiful home here at 509 Quinn Court. All right, here we are in the backyard at 509 Quinn Court in Morro Bay. And as we see, this is a very private yard, right? Beautiful, nice concrete slab, right? Plenty of dance floor room back here, if you will. But great place for barbecuing, entertaining guests, beautiful vinyl fencing all the way around, right? And then brick retaining wall, dividing you into neighboring properties. But just a great use of outdoor space here in Morro Bay. Now there's also a 2-car garage to check out. That's what we're going to check out last, so stay tuned as we check out the garage and then wrap up our tour here at 509 Quinn Court. All right, so here we are in the garage at 509 Quinn Court in Morro Bay. And as we see, this is a full 2-car garage here. Lots of depth, if you will, in this garage. As we see, tankless water heater here. Plenty of room actually for cabinets, storage, fitting actually 2 cars in this garage, right? But just a nice finished piece to look at to top off our tour here at this home in Morro Bay. Now, thanks for tuning in. As always, if you have questions about real estate, especially here on the Central Coast, reach out to your broker or give us a call. We are happy to be a resource for you. Thanks so much.